Configuring your email signature in Windows 10 Mail. This video assumes you already have an existing email account and it's configured in Windows Mail. Now let's learn how to set up an email signature. Click the Settings icon. Then click Signature. It is from here that you can set up your email signatures. Select the account for which you want to create a signature. Then go ahead and create your signature. You can use formatting and include hyperlinks and images if you like. When finished, click Save. That's it. The signature has been created. Now when we go to compose a new email, our signature is automatically in place in the new message window. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to configure email signatures in Windows Mail.